Hello to all my beautiful people. Hello, hello, hi. How you doing? Great, good. I was thinking about something, right? Something really quick that I want to share with you. Like I said, we're living in a world where everything's upside down now, okay? But one thing I was thinking, since so many people are not happy, okay? Because of everything that's going on, in the world, right? But one thing, it's about, love yourself, right? Why is it so important to love yourself? Even in the Bible, God said, love yourself like you love your neighbor. Because we're living in a society where so many people haters, like they are willing to bring you down. They are willing to do whatever it takes to make you feel bad, not only physically but mentally, because they see the world in a way that the way they want to see it. But it doesn't matter, your size. Because we can go by, oh, okay, if you're not this size, you're not good enough. If you're not this size, you're not, But listen, either you skinny, you curvy, or whatever, you tall, you short, white, black, whatever, Asian. But, honey, it is time for you to love yourself, because your wife, sometimes they don't even love you. Your husband, your kids, sometimes don't be surprised that your kids, like some people, like their kids don't love them, their mothers, their fathers. That's why in the Bible God say that, God mentioned that. But he will always love you. But on top of that, but you need to love yourself, because if everybody, the whole world is against you, but you're against yourself, no, honey, no. It is time to love yourself enough that you will care for yourself. How you gonna do that? It's like by eating right. What I mean by eating right, by eating healthy. Even I'm vegan, but I'm not preaching or forcing or telling you that you need to be vegan, because vegan, it's not for everybody, okay? It's not for everyone. But as long as you eat healthy, you eat in a way, because even you healthy, you are eating vegetarian, you're eating vegetable, fruits, moderation in everything, okay? Same thing. That's why what do you see? God created the garden with vegetable, fruits, animals. He knows that you need the animal, that you can get your protein. You have the choice also. If you want to be vegan, you'll get your protein from the plant, from the beans, your omega from the chia seeds, flax seeds. And you eat fish, salmon, you'll get your omega there, your protein in chicken. God created those things. But many things that we are destroying our body with it, like we're drinking soda, juice, sugary stuff, which is not good. We need to be smart. But the message today is to love yourself, because when you love yourself enough, nobody can bring you down. No. Whatever people say, whatever people think, that cannot change your mind. They cannot bring you down, because what they're gonna do? Oh, since you're not curvy, you're not good, or you're not beautiful enough. Since you are too skinny, you're not beautiful enough. Since you're not this, you're not that, because they always have something to say. But girl, or whensoever, young men, young girls, young teenagers, women, men out there, love yourself. Okay, that's the most important thing, because when you love yourself, you make the better choice, mentally, physically. Okay, love yourself first. Do not count. Many times we are waiting for for our men to love. Oh, my man doesn't love me. Oh, we crying because the man, because a woman, oh, I break up, my men, or no men love me, or no woman love me, or I think I'm not good enough because they don't love me. How are they gonna love you if you don't even love yourself? How you are capable to love another human being, you don't even love your own self? Okay, you don't even love your own self, and you think that you have the capacity to love another human being. That take a lot of effort. That take a lot. Even to love your own self, that take a lot. It's a journey to learn how to love, to learn how to take care, to learn how to do things. Okay, same thing when you have a child, you are teaching your child. Same thing, because we're living in a society, we're living in a world, like I said before, that they enjoy bringing you down. They enjoy saying things, they enjoy saying bad things. You have enough people to say those things, but you, every morning, every day, whatever, before you go to sleep, before you get yourself out, you leave your door, talk to yourself, tell yourself how much you love yourself. All right, that was a message for you today. Love you. But listen to this, love yourself first, and don't forget that the only person that can love you beyond, it's God. But you have this responsibility to love yourself first. Have a great morning, have a great day. God bless y'all. Ciao.